Good morning, this is Federico Bentley from Ayondo Markets giving you this morning's market update. This morning we start by looking at the European markets, where the UK 100 rolling is 10 points lower, the France 40 rolling is almost flat, and the Germany 30 rolling is above about 30 points in this morning's trading. Now looking at the London Stock Exchange Group and Deutsche Boerse, today agreed on a merger of equals which will bolster the two exchanges. If it goes through, shareholders will own 45.6% of the new company. Meanwhile, shareholders of the Frankfurt-based exchange Deutsche Boerse will get the remaining 54.4%. Last month, the London Stock Exchange revealed it was merger talks with Deutsche Boerse, their third attempt to strike a deal in less than 2 decades. Previous attempts fell through in 2000 and 2005. Now, more importantly, we turn to the annual budget today at 12:30, where we're expecting a fresh round of government spending cuts. George Osborne warned over the weekend that a slowdown in global growth will lead to further fiscal tightening, saying he would use the budget to slash 50p in every £100 the government spends by the end of the decade, or around £4 billion from the Treasury's balance sheet. Elsewhere, a green light to the driverless cars on Britain's motorways, and what might happen is another hike in the insurance premium tax. The AA warned over the weekend that the Chancellor is considering raising the basic rate of insurance premium tax from 9.5% to 12.5%. Just last November, Osborne increased the basic rate of insurance premium tax from 6% to 9.5%, meaning that the stealth tax on more than 50 million motors, home medical and pet insurance premiums could be set to double in less than 6 months. The first increase in fuel duty in 5 years as well potentially may happen, and an income tax break for middle and higher earnings. Osborne is reportedly looking at increasing the amount people have to earn before they start paying the higher 40% tax rate to £43,000 from the current threshold of £42,385. The Chancellor could also slash the top rate of tax from 45% to 40%, which would benefit people earning more than £150,000 a year, and a potential of higher taxes on alcohol, tobacco and other vices. Now for some other corporate news, Smiths Group's reported pre-tax profit fell 9%, £289 million in 6 months, ended 31st of January, from £208 million in the same period last year. Tullow Oil announced that one of the wells located in its Kier Valley basin in Kenya has shown good oil, describing it as very encouraging news. And Kier Group announced Justin Atkinson has been appointed as its Senior Independent Director with immediate effect. Now looking at the key data today, the layout is at 12:30 p.m. Over in the US is housing starts for February. And again in the US we have at 12:30 again consumer price index for February. Over in the UK, as I mentioned, at 12:30 p.m. we have the UK budget report. And back to the US at 1:15 we have the US industrial production. And at 2:30 we have the US EIA crude oil stocks change March. And at 6 p.m. we have the US FOMC economic projections and interest rate decision. And again at 6:30 p.m. we have US Fed's monetary policy statement and press conference. That's all for today's news, so thank you very much for listening and all the best on your day's trading.